Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to change your Facebook page URL or username directly from your page settings. It's very quick and easy. So let's get started. Right now I am on my Facebook page. From here, look at the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Now click on settings and privacy and then select settings. Once you are inside the settings page, scroll down a little until you find audience and visibility. Under that section, click on Page Setup. Now you will see different page information options. Look for the name section and click on it. Then here you can see your username. Then click on Edit. Here you can type your new username. This will become your URL. Or you can remove it, you can change it, whatever as you want. Make sure to choose a unique name. You can see username is available. If the username is available, you will be able to save it. After entering your new username, simply click Save Changes. And that's it, your page URL has been updated successfully. I'm not going to change my one. So that's how you can easily change your Facebook page username and URL. I hope this tutorial helped you and made the process clear. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.